everybody. It is the 11th of February. We are on A-0547. Had a pretty busy week this week. Our cleaning company came in and did a huge push. Power washed everything, cleaned out all of our drains. We used a surfactant or a degreaser and let it sit and soak on the floor. Then we power washed the floor with a 5,000 PSI disc. Our painters have showed up. They started working on the inside, brought our lift in for Monday. Our tank has been delivered and pushed up into place. And Monday we will start getting the water to it. We held it off of the wall so we can get to the access points. Push button, we can get back here to this stuff and our lights on the other side. Still gave ourselves space to where a vehicle is, it's protected by a bollard. And on this side right here, I mean, it's right in line with the door. It couldn't have been more perfect. I will tell you this, if I ever live a dream that I can have my own bridge crane or a beam crane, I want one just like this, because I had to do this. I had to push it in here by myself, but I had to stand it up by myself. The pushing, it wasn't that big of a deal. It rolls right in here. Even though we've got, of all days, we've got a huge wind advisory outside. You could see that it is giving everything a taste. Nevertheless, I got it in here, and I'm just gonna say that I will never attempt to do that by myself. So I got the crane, picked it up, screwed it in place, done deal. So if anybody's throwing away a perfectly good jib crane, I want that. It was perfect. So the cleaning crews, they went up on top, they swept and cleaned and mopped everything. They swept and cleaned and mopped and scrubbed everything here. Electricians will be here next week. They swept and cleaned and mopped everything in here. This room really turned out well. I mean, it's pretty dirty in here, but of everything that the guys have done, this is what I'm really happy with. This is our room that had all of the furniture and had all of the stuff on the floor. The crews came in and applied Monday and Tuesday. There was acid etching and salt etching in the floors. The guys came in, they completely cleaned the floor with a grinder, which is the right proper way to do this stuff. And then we ground in a material, like a cementitious material, but it bonds to the concrete in these little pits. And we redid huge sections of the floor. Was in the middle of each bay. And this is what it turned out. I mean, just totally changed the whole room. Painters will be in here next week doing their work. They've already started painting in some of the offices. Our plumber comes in, like I said, and I mean, we're just slowly chugging along. People have been here every single day, cleaning, painting, scraping, I mean, everything. And we will take care of that right there. Now, most people don't understand what a leak will do. That's a leak. That's a drip leak. But we had to do our stuff with the floor, and I didn't want to mess it up. So we'll take care of that also. That's what we look like for today, the 11th. Next week will look even better. Thank you.